Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Annie. So, today we are going to do monthly reading for Taurus for the month of April 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also in my channel's info. So, let's see what do the cards have for Taurus for April 2026. I'm sorry I couldn't do the monthly reading for the month of March for you guys. So actually I couldn't do it for any of the signs. So I'm really sorry for that. I had been sorry. Yeah. So let's see now what do the cards have for Taurus for April. Let's see what's the overall energy we have for you, Taurus, for the month of April. Overall energy for Taurus, please, for April 2026. Overall energy for Taurus, please, for April 2026. Okay, a card flipped. Alright. Okay, let's see what are the key challenges we have for Taurus. Key challenges or obstacles for Taurus, please. Key challenges or obstacles for Taurus. Okay, let's see what are the actions or advice we have. Okay. What are the strengths and opportunities we have for you, Taurus, here? What are the strengths and opportunities we have for you? Okay, a card flipped, I guess. That's it. Wow, looks like you're dealing with a lot of stuff. Strength and opportunities for Taurus, please. Strength and opportunities for Taurus, please. Strength and opportunities for Taurus, please. Alright, I'll take this. What's the advice we have for Taurus in April? Advice for Taurus, please. Advice for Taurus, please, for April. Advice for Taurus in April. Okay. All right. So, for you, Taurus, you are if you're feeling left out, like there is nobody who can understand you, you are not feeling supported. It can be when it comes to your finances, you might not be feeling good enough about your finances that you are, if you are comparing your journey with others, it can be with your friends, with your other colleagues, and you might be feeling very slow growth or very, not moving kind of energy is what I'm getting here. कि ना ग्रोथ हो नहीं रही है, देखो मेरे फ्रेंड्स कहाँ पहुंच गए, देखो मेरे रिलेटिव्स कहाँ पहुंच गए, एंड आई एम स्टिल हियर. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग हियर फॉर यू. एंड ऑल्सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर इमोशनल और your relations, basically you are feeling left out, you are feeling left out in the cold, basically not having enough support, not having tired of putting efforts is what I'm getting here. All right. And also you are like, whom do I trust now? I don't trust anybody. I don't find anybody to be with me when I need somebody to be my side for the support. Okay, it can be an emotional support, financial support, basically. And you are feeling exhausted. Okay, there is lack of support, and because of that, for some of you, you might be having backache is what I'm getting here. Okay, but all you have to focus is that जब आपको जब इस तरह की सिचुएशन आती है, when this universe tests you in this phase, don't give up. Okay, just keep going. Okay, and try to change your perspective. Try to bring your attention or try to focus on your blessings instead of counting on what you do not have. Okay, जब हम अपने blessings को count करते हैं, so we kind of attract more of that reasons to be grateful for. अगर आप कंप्लेन पे फोकस करोगे तो योर माइंड विल फाइंड मोर रीजंस टू कंप्लेन. ओके, अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड पे फोकस करोगे, आप अपने ब्लेसिंग्स को काउंट करोगे, तो यू विल फाइंड मोर रीजंस टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग हियर. सो फॉर द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, टॉरस, इज डोंट फोकस ऑन हु हैज गॉन. ओके, अगर टफ टाइम में अगर कोई आपका साथ छोड़ता है, दैट मीन्स दैट पर्सन डजंट डिजर्व अ chair in your table. Okay, it is as simple as that. Okay, so just keep that in mind and try to focus on your blessings. Be grateful for who is there for you. If nobody else, at least you are there for yourself, right? So just be focus on yourself, focus on your blessings, and keep going. Don't give up. Okay, now here what I see the challenge for the month of April is you're thinking a lot. There is a lot of thinking going on. You might have isolated yourself again. Nobody around you to understand you, support you, and you're feeling isolated, and you're in a warrior zone, right? I don't have to give up. I have to do this. I have to do this. This is my responsibility. I have to complete this. I have to take care of this also. So you are in this energy, in this zone of keep going, and not taking rest. Even if you have isolated, you are not at rest. Okay, your mind is always at work. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. And somewhere you because of not taking proper rest is also causing you that illusion, and not able to think clearly, because I see that your third eye chakra, throat chakra, and heart chakra might be blocked, and because of that you are not able to communicate properly what is bothering you. You're not able to think clearly. Again, third eye chakra is blocked, and you are not able to heal, okay, or forgive whoever has done wrong to you. You are not able to forgive. So what you have to do is just write it down. General practice is to journal. Okay, just write it down, whatever is bothering you. जो भी चीज आपको परेशान कर रही हो, आप किसी से एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, किसी को बोल नहीं पा रहे हो, शेयर नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आप उसको just write it down on a paper or somewhere. And if you want to keep it, but the best way to release it is to burn it. Okay, just whatever is bothering you, आप उसको लिखिए और उसको burn कर दीजिए. And while burning, just release it from your system, from your mind, from your heart. Okay, from your soul. Just release it. You will feel much better. Okay, that is what I am seeing here as a challenge. Now, the action or advice here for you, Taurus, I see is, again, as I said, be grateful for what you have. Okay, you are confident, you are independent, you are capable of taking decisions for yourself for the betterment of your growth, or you are mature enough, is what I'm seeing. You are blessed. Okay, so all you have to do is just bring your attention, bring your focus from problems to your blessings. Okay, तो उस जब आप ये करोगे तो you will start being grateful and start seeing new opportunities coming in your life, जो आपको आगे बढ़ने में बहुत हेल्प करेगी. Okay, so that is what the energy here is. Just be grateful for it. Try to work on your plans. अपने plans को execute करने पे ध्यान दीजिए. थोड़ा सा meditate करना is also what I'm getting here for you. It will help you to think clearly. Okay, जो भी आपके illusions है ना, जो आपको परेशान कर रहे हैं, उससे overcome करने में help करेगा, and you will be able to decide or take actions in a much better way, which will also make you feel calm and composed. Okay, see this person, she's so happy and relaxed, right? So to get into this stage, from this constant thinking stage, you have to do some mental exercise. Mental exercise is basically to keep yourself calm, so you need to meditate, is what I'm getting here. Now the strength and opportunity is, see, you are blessed with everything. Again and again, the card is coming that focus on your blessing. Okay, so even if you don't find anybody around you, see these two cards are like, these people are single, right? They don't have anybody around them. In fact, in the whole deck, or in the whole spread, it's like the single energy, right? Here this energy is about emotionally exhausted, physically exhausted, and lack of financial support or financial growth. Okay, so you are dealing with all that, and you are dealing with all this alone, right? So don't give up, keep counting on your blessings. And even if there is nobody around, just do some grounding exercise. Grounding exercise is what, spend some time with nature. आप कहीं किसी ट्री के साथ, ट्री के अंदर sitting under a tree is also helpful for some or releasing all your emotional traumas. Or you can sit near a water body basically, sorry. You can sit near a water body, a beach. अगर आपके घर के आसपास कहीं बीच है, कोई लेक है, तो आप वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा टाइम स्पेंड करिए. Just sit near it and release all that is coming to your mind. Don't sit with your phone on. Okay, I'm not saying कि आप उसके पास बैठ के अपना phone चलाओ. No, just sit. Okay, no social media, no distraction. Just you, your thoughts, with the nature. Okay, so जब आप अपने साथ time spend करते हो ना, you kind of start understanding what is that is running in your mind and it's bothering you. कौन सी चीज पे आपको ध्यान देने की जरूरत है, what is that your mind is playing tricks with you, and just release it. Okay, also जो भी आपके unhealed emotions है, unhealed वूंड है एट एन इमोशनल लेवल, जो आपको इमोशनली हैवी फील करा रहे हैं, जो हमारे बोलते हैं हमारे सप्रेस्ड इमोशंस है, हम किसी से बोलते नहीं है एंड इट्स जस्ट कीप सप्रेसिंग इट, एंड फिर वो एकदम से हमारा पेशेंस लेवल खत्म होता है और फिर हम बोल देते हैं फटाक से. तो वो चीज से बचने के लिए यू हैव टू रिलीज योर इमोशनल जो भी आपने इमोशन सप्रेस करके रखे हैं उसको रिलीज करिए. अगेन राइट इट डाउन एंड बर्न इट टू फील गुड. ओके, is what I am getting here. Be अपने गोल पे ध्यान देने की जरूरत है. इमोशनली अपने आप को आपको हील करने की जरूरत है. अगेन यू हैव टू डू सम मेडिटेशन एंड ऑल्सो be in that grounded energy, be grateful and focus on your goal, कि आप अपने गोल पे कैसे पहुंचना है, आपकी डेस्टिनी क्या है, आपको उसको पहुंचने के लिए क्या करने की जरूरत है. यू नीड टू हैव स्ट्रैटेजी, यू नीड टू हैव प्रॉपर प्लान so that you can reach your goal, and you need to take step for it. You need to make efforts for it. Okay, that is what the outcome is. Okay, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि ऐसा हो जाएगा उसके बाद मैं ऐसा करूंगा. Okay, let's say for example अगर आपकी कोई हॉबी है एंड आपको म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट है, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड आप सोच रहे हो कि नहीं पहले लेट दिस हैपन, उसके बाद मैं आई रिज्यूम माई हॉबी ऑन माई म्यूजिक. नो, अच्छा ये नहीं हुआ, चलो ठीक है, अच्छा ये हो जाने दो, उसके बाद में करूंगा. You don't have to do that. You have to take action. You have to take that step which is required to reach your goal. आपके पास में प्लान है, आपके पास में स्ट्रैटेजी है, आप इमोशनली कॉन्फिडेंट हो, बट वो क्या चीज है जो आपको स्टेप आगे लेने से रोक रही है. ओके, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. और जब आप वो समझ जाओगे तो आपको उससे डील करने के लिए भी क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी, एंड अल्टीमेटली यू विल be taking that step towards your goal. Okay, that is what is the message I have for you, Taurus, for April. So now let's see what is the guiding message we have for you. One guiding message from the oracle deck for Taurus, please. For Taurus. Okay, let's take this one. Fire guardian. See, it's like ignite your passion. Again, same thing came up. You need to take action. Okay, you need to be, and this one also, barrier. See, it's no coincidence. You have a clear guiding message that first is ignite your passion. जिस चीज के लिए भी आपको passion है, it can be any hobby, a particular project, a deal you have to work on, anything, releasing your emotional wound, healing your inner child, anything basically. You have to work towards it with passion. Okay, ये नहीं करना है कि कल पे टाल देते हैं, अच्छा आज नहीं किया चलो कल से करते हैं. जैसे हम अक्सर होता है ना जिम के लिए, इस हफ्ते नहीं अगले हफ्ते से जिम ज्वाइन कर लेंगे, अभी से डाइट नहीं करते कल से डाइट कर लेंगे, कल से तो पक्का डाइट करेंगे, और वो कभी कल आता ही नहीं है, राइट. सो उस तरह की एनर्जी है. जस्ट इग्नाइट योर पैशन एंड be fearless and stand strong. See, again you have to be fearless. आपको अपने fears जो आपको आगे बढ़ने से रोक रहे हैं, you have to understand that and you have to fight your fears to reach your goal and or your destiny. Okay, that is what I have the message for you, Taurus. If you have liked it, please do like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.